So you might be in a situation where for some reason your mouse just isn't working with your particular iPhone or iPad. Now, there's a couple of reasons why something like this could end up happening. Number one, the very main reason why something like this could end up happening for the most part is by going through and just making sure that your Bluetooth is on and these two devices were paired up. So make your way over into your iPhone settings. So jump right into iPhone settings, find your Bluetooth option, which is right over here. And all you're going to want to do is make sure your Bluetooth toggle is on and make sure your devices are paired up with one another. That right there is going to be one of the main ways to go and kind of fix this and address this, because that is probably going to end up fixing the problem for a lot of people. So go through, make sure that is basically set up. That's going to be one of the easy things to do. Now, another thing, you might want to also make sure that assistive touch is also enabled. So in your iPhone settings, scroll down until you find accessibility, tap onto accessibility, find that little touch option, which is right here, tap on it, and assistive touch, tap on assistive touch and make sure assistive touch is enabled. That right there is also going to be another very big thing that might end up happening, and that's another thing you might have to try doing here too. If that isn't working, you might want to try restarting your iPhone or your iPad. Hold down the buttons to normally restart it, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it, because those are kind of the main ways to go and do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.